This is a new feature named Rotary Solution Selection. It allows the users to preset preferred solutions within the machine kinematics model. Directly select rotary axis solutions during operation creation and editing. Receive immediate warnings when the tool axis vector exceeds machine limits. This is a MPP machine tool sample. In the Operation Edit dialog, the Rotary Solution Selection option is new. The option shows available rotary axis solutions and angle value. The selected value is used by toolpath animation and the final post-processed output. Open the machine assembly in Machine Tool Builder application. In the Define Kinematic Chains dialog, the Solution Selection option is new. Select different options from Solution Selection list. NX shows different solution area on the machine. To preview machine status within operation, Display Tool in Machine button needs to be turned on. With the Operation Edit dialog opened, activate the Display Tool in Machine button on the Display tab. Switch the Rotary Solution options can preview the status of the machine with part is stationary for each solution. To preview machine status with ground is stationary, when editing operation, turning on the Allow the Stationary Mode change for Display Tool in Machine Early Access feature. Turn off Stationary Part option in Display Path Group can preview the status of the machine with ground is stationary for each solution.